Hello everyone, it's me Zach. I have another video on how to make slime. I did a video on this already. First of all, get a cup, shampoo, that's all. And salt. So, get a cup, pour in your shampoo, just like, I'll say 10 centimeters, and it's alright. I'm not going to show you guys because I can't get the camera properly, so sorry guys, but you just count on 10 centimeters and it will be alright. So this is hard to squeeze. Uh-oh. I did something wrong. Guys, I have a problem. Okay, I just get my shirt. You want a shampoo what is slimish. Slimish shampoo. It's shower gel. So just shower gel. Cup full of it. Salt. Correct. Bye. So just get a little pinch. Okay. Little pinch, remember guys. And it's all. And then you have to stir it. I'm going to stir it with this. So, stir. Look how it's going to. Oh, I should have get my flashlight on this. You can't see it, guys. So, I'm afraid. Mix. So, guys, I'll see you in the next 15 minutes because you have to stir it. So, actually, no. I'll see you guys in the next 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Yeah, I'll say 15. And the time. 15 minutes went. Okay. So, after 15 minutes, it is finally ready. And guys, 2 days, actually, tomorrow is my birthday, so I'm excited. So guys, in the next 15 minutes, I stirred it. You have to do it for 20 minutes, which is quite long. So, I'm finished. And it has to get a little bit more white because that's how we make slime. Because you could have any shower gel and any salt you want to have. You could have the blue one or red one. They're still the same, just different colors. So yeah. And if you did that, you have to do it for the next 15 minutes to the freezer. And then slime will be like this. Yeah. Okay. So, I'll see you guys. So, I just have to put this in the freezer, I think, and then guys, I'm just testing this because once it went pretty good as that one, and oh flip, okay, pretty good. So yeah, so put it in the freezer for like 15 minutes. Just next 15 minutes will go past. I'm just relaxing, and guys, just to relax. And yeah, in 2 days, tomorrow is my birthday. So I'm gonna be with my it's gonna be me, as a legendary 7, my friend Amir from my school, and Mirish, and yeah, and 5 because I forgot her name. So yeah, so I will check back with then. So yeah, in 2 days. So tomorrow, remind me on this video that if I don't do a video tomorrow, remind me today that you have to do a video, because I'm quite missing videos. That's why I'm like hurrying. Yeah, so I have to go to the toilet. Joke. Good outfit. I don't know what to do now. Slime. I just am touching it. It's back. There. It's like actually slime. It's the best. What? Whoa. Ah. Uh-oh. Just stick it back. Yeah. No. No way, it's breaking. No way. It's actually slime. Oh, light. It's like a sunflower. Right. Guys, and on this I did some eye drops, but see, we don't need eye drops. So that's why it's that sticky. Eye drops are the best. Glue, never forget, but when you have shaving cream, you of course need it. 15 minutes, 5 more minutes, and then yeah. Come here, guys. Kind of darkness. I wonder what. Oh, where are you? Down. Oh. Okay, I'm back. Why? Oh yeah, because guys, slime is wet. So yeah, you guys, I wish you can see this. How cool is this? It's so cool. You know what? I want to play with it. Is it actually doing it for me? Oh my god. I have real slime. Oh my god. Ah, it's falling. Is This is the first ever best made slime you could ever. What is the best? Just have to do this. There. Ew. Okay. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, and yeah. Shout out to Dantdm, shout out to Dana Fox, shout out to the Legendary 7. Actually, he said he changed his name into Shiny something. So yeah. Yeah. Goodbye. Bye. 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 You usually get soft when I like. Bye. 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 Bye.